Hey guys, I want to hop on here real quick and show you, look what I got in the mail today. And I just want to point out to you guys, telling you that opportunity is everywhere. It's all in a matter of how you look at things. Now look at this postcard, guys. This looks like one of these multi-level MLM marketing type deals. I've even fell for this back in the day, and that's why I'm still getting these type postcards. How many of you guys have received these type of postcards because you're on someone's list? And I'm just shocked that people are still doing these type of this type of marketing, this type of business, and it just made me think, like, wow, opportunity is literally everywhere. Folks are still doing this type of business, and that tells me that they are making money from this stuff. So if they can make money from postcards, people are still making money from MLM. Just imagine what you guys could do with mobile homes. Just imagine what you guys can do with mobile homes. The opportunities are everywhere. Now, this marketer, this business owner, they wouldn't know if I would fall for this trick, or not. I wouldn't say this trick, but for this opportunity, if they wouldn't put this mailer in the mail. But what they know, and what every business owner knows, is that in business, it's all about a numbers games, guys. It's all about numbers. They may have to send out, I don't know, 1,000 postcards, and they might get 10 responses, 10 people who take up on their offer. It's the same thing with mobile home investing, guys. You may have to put out 10, 20, 30 bandit signs. You may have to put out 3, 4, 5 Craigslist ads every day. It's a numbers games, guys. The more ads you put out, the more pieces you put out in the marketplace, the more chance you have of someone responding. And it's just important that you look at these things as opportunities. I shot the video the other day of the double wide that I got for free. I got it for free, guys, because I put my marketing pieces out there, and the seller reached out to me, and we made the deal happen. So that's what this thing is all about, guys. That's why I want to hop on here and show you, you have to, and tell you that you have to look at these things differently. You have to look at opportunities in everything. And then this business owners, they're still putting out postcards. They're still making money off of this type of business. That lets you know that mobile homes, you can definitely make money with mobile homes. Really, you can make money with any type of business. It's all about you doing the work. I put that banner up the other day about being successful in business. You have to do the work, and it's just about being consistent, guys. And that's the message that I want to get across to you. You have to be consistent in whatever you do, and trust me, the results will come if you remain consistent. So thought that this was important, guys. Always look for opportunities. Always keep marketing. Always putting pieces out there in the marketplace. And you never know who will respond, who will see your marketing piece and will offer you that home for a great price, or offer you that mobile home for free because they want it removed. You just have to put it out there, guys. So I just want to send this encouraging message to you guys. Look at these things different. Always have your eyes open for these types of opportunities. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks.